Good evening, guys. How are you? How are you all doing from God 3? I hope you're doing great. Actually, it's a good evening, but it could be good morning, good afternoon, because I don't know exactly when you're gonna watch this video. So I had promised a reading video, and so this is it. Please, before you continue watching this video, I highly recommend you to grab your books. Pause the video and get your books, please. So you're back, you're fast. Thank you. So would you be kind and open your books to page 70. By opening on page 70, you'll see this session of our lesson, which is called Culture Club. We at the end of each lesson, that was the end of lesson 6, unit 6, and that unit we spoke about conspiracy theories. We spoke about mysteries, because perfect model or model perfect was the main grammar aspect. And so when you discuss mysteries, why did that person disappear, or why some people don't believe that the mankind, especially the American people, the American astronauts from NASA, that they were never on the moon. So it is quite easy to use to make use of the model perfect when we discuss possibilities, probabilities, and the least probable things. We normally use might. Remember, might, very little chance of that supposition being true. Then we have may and could for 50% of chance, and then 90% when you are almost sure. We use must. So for the fact that we have here on page 70 4 conspiracy theories, I am going to link, along with this video, I'm going to link 4 short documentaries that I would like you to watch them, okay? You don't have to watch them for tomorrow, you don't have to watch them even this week, but please do watch them because they are really nice, especially the one that is called mind reading. That video is quite nice. It's not actually a video, it's more like a show. It's a 20-minute show, and it's pretty interesting. It's pretty nice. So we are going to start reading. I'm gonna read it along with the audio. Okay, are you guys ready? So let's do it.
Exercise 2. The best conspiracy theories.
A conspiracy theory is a story that says a group of people have secretly agreed to hide the truth about an important event or situation from the public. Here are some of the best we've discovered online.
Roswell crash. In July 1947, something crashed at Roswell in New Mexico in the U.S. It must have been big. There were pieces of metal all over the desert, and some people said they'd seen lights in the sky. So, what crashed? The official report explained that it was a weather balloon. However, some people think that it was an alien spaceship and that the American government discovered alien bodies. But that can't be true, can it?
Apollo moon landing. On July 20th, 1969, millions watched Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin land on the moon. Or did they? Some people believe NASA might have filmed Armstrong and Aldrin in Armstrong and Aldrin that there weren't enough stars in the clip, and the flag was moving strangely. However, many experts say that this evidence doesn't prove anything. Hundreds of people have written about this theory online. You don't believe them, do you?
The Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle is part of the Atlantic Ocean between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. Some ships and airplanes have disappeared there, and pilots and captains have reported that their instruments stopped working. However, experts say the number of accidents isn't unusual, and the Bermuda Triangle didn't appear in a 2013 list of the world's 10 most dangerous waters. So you'd feel safe to travel there, wouldn't you?
Mind reading. This might be the strangest conspiracy theory of all. A few people believe that some of the world's governments have invented a machine that can look into our minds and read our thoughts. To prevent this from happening, you should cover your head in aluminum. You can make your own hat using the kind of aluminum foil you might have in your kitchen for covering food. You may look a little silly, but it sounds like a good idea, doesn't it?
Okay. Among these four conspiracy theories, only one has a model perfect sentence in it. Do you know which one? Do you know which one? This one, the Roswell crash. Roswell crash. I found the sentence in the second, third line. It must have been big. It must have been big. In all the others, I was searching for model perfect sentences. Yeah, you can find models throughout the four texts, but model perfect only in the Roswell crash. I have something to correct in my pronunciation. I said NASA. Probably I said NASA. I'm not sure. But it's NASA. NASA. Okay? It's National Aeronautics Space Agency. So it's an acronym. É uma sigla, né? It's an acronym, NASA. Regarding the Bermuda Triangle, this is something I could add to our reading. That area where the Bermuda Triangle is located is an intense area for hurricanes. So most hurricanes that we hear on the news, especially the ones that hit Florida, South Georgia, Texas, all these Midwest states, they are born in that area. So it's, I'm not a geography teacher, but any geography teacher would explain easily to you guys, or meteorologist would explain even better. But like the cold air and, the cold air and the hot air, when they encounter, when they meet, it's usually in that area. So it is very intense. The waters are intense, as it is mentioned here, okay? So if you guys have any questions related to these four readings, please ask me, okay? In our class tomorrow, because today is May 5th, and tomorrow we're gonna have our hangout class on May 6th, okay? Well, yeah, I guess, yes, May 6th is tomorrow. So, guys, feliz 5 de maio. Amanhã a gente pode falar sobre esse feriado, ok? Happy May 5th. E acho que para os fanáticos por Star Wars, May 4th foi um feriado, foi uma data festiva, né? Para o pessoal que gosta de Star Wars. And May the 4th be with you. Okay, guys, take care and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!